Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 20th November. Let's start. In the year of 1750 on this day Tipu Sultan was born. In the year of 1815 on this day Russia, Prussia, Austria and England formed an alliance to maintain peace in Europe. In the year of 1829 on this day Jews were expelled from the Nikolaev and Sevastopol regions of Russia. In the year of 1863, on this day, Lord Elgin I, who came after Lord Canning as the Viceroy of India in 1862, passed away. In the year of 1917, on this day, the Bose Research Institute was established in Calcutta. In the year of 1929, on this day, India's famous sprinter, popularly known as Flying Sikh, Milkha Singh, was born. In the year of 1945, on this day, complete surrender of Japan to America and the end of World War II. In the year of 1949, on this day, the number of Jews in Israel was 1 million. In the year of 1968, on this day, the US conducted a nuclear test in Nevada. In the year of 1969, on this day, Gundappa Vishwanath scored 137 runs in his test debut match against Australia played at Kanpur. In the year of 1975, on this day, General Francisco Franco, the dictator who ruled Spain for 39 years, was killed. In the year of 1981, on this day, Bhaskar satellite was launched by India. In the year of 1985, on this day, Microsoft launched Microsoft Windows 1.0. In the year of 1989, on this day, Babita Phogat, an Indian female freestyle wrestler, was born. In the year of 1998 on this day, the first module of the International Space Station Zarya was released. In the year of 2008 on this day, Makoka was imposed on all the 10 accused arrested in the Malegaon blast case. In the year of 2009 on this day, Shyam Bahadur Verma, a versatile genius, scholar of many subjects, thinker and poet, passed away. In the year of 2013, on this day, US President Barack Obama posthumously awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom to civil rights activist Bayard Rustin. In the year of 2015, on this day, at least 19 people were taken hostage and killed in Bamako, the capital of the African nation of Mali. In the year of 2016, on this date, PV Sindhu won her first Super Series title by defeating Sun Yu of China in the final of the China Open Super Series. In the year of 2017, on this day, investment corporation Tencent had a market value of $511 billion, became the first Asian company to join the $500 billion club. In the year of 2018, on this day, Indian actor Amitabh Bachchan confirmed that he had paid off the loans of 1,398 farmers worth rupees 5,60,000 amid the Indian agrarian crisis. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bhutanese counterpart Lotte Tshering launched the Rupee Card Phase 2 in Bhutan. In the year of 2020, on this day, Life Insurance Corporation of India had launched a digital application for onboarding for agents to obtain life insurance policies. The digital application is called Ananda, which is an acronym for Atmanirbhar Agents New Business Digital Application. If you like the video, please share with your friends. That's all. Thanks for watching.